What's up, guys? Miguel here from Torrance Tech. Today we are looking at the Ostation 2 Pro. I got an email from them and I said, sure, I would love to review this. Why? Well, reasons why. I'm sure that I am not the only person that has drawers like this. I have AAA, AA drawers filled with the Amazon one, the Kirkland one, Energizer one, Duracell one. Can this replace those batteries? That's the first thing that comes to mind. Can a system like this, can I use a system like this where rechargeable batteries actually replace and are as good as those batteries? Because right now, let's be honest, I have remotes, I have children's toys, I have a whole bunch of stuff that really needs AA and AAA batteries. So they also sent me over 12 AA and 12 AAA. I guess that's the max that they like to use for this. Let's unbox it. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at first impressions. Let's just get into it. Now I do have the top-down view too, but for this, we'll switch it to a little. We'll switch it. It's always funny because I accepted the marketing for this, and they, if you didn't get it, they sent me this free of charge. Thanks to you guys, to tell you the truth. If my channel didn't grow enough, they wouldn't send me free shit, and I get to get free shit and test it out. So I appreciate it. And what was I saying? I have no idea what I was saying. Oh, all right. Now, I know nothing about rechargeable batteries. So here's the user manual that I don't want to read. USB-C to USB-C. Comes with a little charging brick. Cool. Styrofoam. And nothing else in the box. So what do I... Shouldn't be cracking like that. So what do I know about charging batteries? I know there's lithium ion and nickel metal, right? My understanding is that this thing charges both. But right now all of these are nickel metal batteries. I'm not sure if one's better than the other. I heard that lithium is better, or I don't know. We're gonna test it. We're not gonna test it. Doesn't smell like anything. No, doesn't smell like anything. All right. Let me bring over the top-down view so we could. All right, this is the overhead. And now you get to see a little better. Just a plastic box. I know, it does more than a plastic box. So we got USB-C here on the back. I know we have this flipping thing out, so if you have like the light bulbs, which I don't have, this is the first time I've ever heard of Olight or Ostation. So I know I was taking a look at their flashlights, and it did intrigue me to maybe look into getting one of those flashlights. But if you do have one, they could just put it here and charge it. I know that because I watched other people do it on other videos. We have some drawers. So this is a disposable drawer. This is obviously the AAA door and the AA door. The disposable drawer means that if you put a battery that's bad, or like a Duracell battery that's not rechargeable, it'll just process it and throw it out. I'll take that off the top. Let's take a look. So these are... This is where you throw the batteries in. Okay. All right. I mean, this is pretty simplistic stuff, right? So let's hook up some power to it. I'm just going to use one of these USB-C cords that I already have. Should be able to power it. Oh, it doesn't like Interesting. So this USB-C cable, I have it connected to an Anchor power station, so it doesn't like it. It wants its own thing. Huh. All right. All right, Olight. All right, Olight. You don't like other people's USB-Cs, huh? Maybe. Man, that means I'm gonna have to use this. Ah, how primitive. Alright, so we're gonna plug this in here. And I guess plug this into the back? Is that how it goes? Look at me not knowing how to plug in a USB-C. Alright. So let's plug this underneath. Outlet under there. Alright. There we go. I mean, the screen is pretty cool. So, I mean, this whole unit is pretty cool, to be honest, right? So, you know, I never made the switch over to these, rechargeable batteries because I didn't want to have a whole bunch of batteries, put them in those, like, you know, click, 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 and then charge them, and then take them all out, and then put them somewhere, and then you lose kind of track of that shit. I didn't want anything to do with that. This is supposed to be... You know what this reminds me of? It's doing shit. This reminds me of Coinstar, you know? You put all your coins in it, it sorts them out, and then you spit out dollar bills. It's kind of the same shit. Alright, so let's open this crap up. Let me switch to the overhead so you guys can see AAA's. I don't know what it's doing. I don't know if it's calibrating or it's about to explode. Alright. Now it also comes with an app. I kind of don't need the app. I don't need to know when batteries. It's not that serious. It's probably cool, you know, but I don't need an app to let me know if the batteries are good. What I do need is bigger nails so I could open this stuff up. Alright. Cool. Throw all this out. This is like serious packaging here. Jesus. Yeah, let's open all this up. You guys wanted the uncut shit. I'm telling you, this is what you wanted, all right? Because all your comments are like, we don't like the cut stuff. We want to see it in real time. We want the true uncut version shit. I said, okay, times have changed. I remember when they used to do the cuts on YouTube, and everybody thought it was crazy cool. But y'all want straight. Straight torture. Okay, last pack. We're almost there. And this thing is still trying to take off. Alright. God damn. Alright, so AAA. Let's do AAA. Now it's not supposed to matter how you're supposed to put them in. You just... That's the whole beauty part of it. You're just supposed to put this shit in. Alright. There we go. It took the 12. Now we're going to do... I mean, see, so this is the part that I like, right? So you got some batteries, right? You took them out of the remote; they're dead. You just come over here because you're coming here to the station to get new batteries, and you just pop them in. Any way, any person could do it, and now it's supposed to do its thing. I don't know what it's doing. I can't really put it on its side because I don't think... Oh, there it is. All right. It's charging some batteries. Let's see if I can put that there. Cool. All right. I mean, that's it. What else do you want me to say? It charges fucking batteries. And you put it up somewhere, and hopefully it replaces this hot mess. And, you know, when I run out of batteries, I don't have to go onto Amazon and buy hundreds of dollars worth of this, and maybe it saves me some money and peace of mind. That's really the goal here. Now, I'm not going to be able to tell you if I replace those batteries with this. I'll make another video maybe a month from now, like a follow-up video, to see if this is actually, if I incorporated this into my life. And we'll take it from there. But other than that, it's a great concept. I'm excited that I get to test it without spending money because Olight sent it to me for free. So it's not something I, bought and then all of a sudden return because it sucks. So we're gonna test it out. Now it does have the app. I'm not thrilled about the app. Okay, it has a display. It's beautiful. If I need batteries, it's pretty simplistic. You come out here. You come out here. You just open it. There's going to be 2 batteries when it's done charging, and that's it. And you put it to the top. Okay. Do we want to set up the app? Are you going to make me set up the app? Should I set up the app? Look, it has like a little cool touchscreen. Connection. Oh, for fuck's sake. We'll set up the goddamn fucking app. Alright. Alright. Let's try setting up the app. Where do I go for the app? I think it's on the box. Yeah. On the box it says app. Okay. Let's go here. Let's flip to the top down view. Alright, so let's... I might have to cut some of this out, just so you know. Because there might be personal information on here. I'll cut this off because it's hidden behind this. Alright, so we got get. We'll do that. Everything has an app. My dishwasher had a fucking app. A dishwasher had my app. A new dishwasher had an app. Like, what the hell do I need an app for to tell me that the dishwasher's done? The dishwasher? Like, what the fuck? My dishes are done. I don't know. Everything's getting a little too crazy. You know what it is, that they want your information. But I get it. I'm not going to get into that. I'm not going to get into the tinfoil moment. Alright. Open. Now it's going to probably ask me to register, allow, sign up. Can we just do let's go? Nope. We got to blur that out. My devices. Okay. Okay. Quickly search for nearby devices. Okay. Okay. Got it. Okay. Jesus Christ. Holy crap. Alright, scan for nearby devices. You can only scan for nearby devices if you register. Got it. Alright. So, we're blurring this part out. You get to watch my face while I do this. Holy shitballs, Olight. This app, it took me this long to add this stuff. Okay. Well, we're at it. It's updated its firmware at this point. It needs an update on firmware. Okay. That was a little painful, I'll tell you that much, to just be able to see what's on the screen here. I mean, it's fine. It's fine. All right. So as you know, I had to edit it out. I mean, it took us close to 43 minutes. It took me about a half hour to figure out how to hook up the app. The instructions were saying one thing, it wasn't doing one thing. The app had I don't know, whatever. These AA's or AAA's are almost done charging. The other ones are charging. All right, is what it is. Switch back to the main camera. So that was my unboxing first impression. This seems simplistic enough. The app seemed like a hot mess. But it's connected now, and I don't know if I'll use it to see if batteries are charged. Probably not, but we'll see. Bigger question is, will this replace all those batteries that I have in the tray? We'll find out. You know, in the next month or so, I'm going to try to use this. I'm going to set it up. I got to figure out where to put it. I don't know where to put it. You know, so as soon as I put it somewhere and see if the family uses it, see if they come back, and hopefully they don't throw out the batteries. Hopefully they come back and put it in, because that would suck, you know. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you guys. I hope, sorry for the cut, but I had to. I wasn't going to make you guys stick here for 44 minutes. Anyway, guys, check you out on the next one. Olight, thank you for sending me out this free of charge. Take care, guys.